Suran Lukmani. Today we are going to cook something special, a very special dish called Suran Lukmani. Suran is a vegetable. It's yam. It is called elephant foot yam in English. So we will cook this suran in a very unique style with full of spices, flavors, and that authentic touch, homemade touch, which is irresistible. You will love this Suran Lukmani. So let us start. If you like this recipe, Suran Lukmani, then please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you. 1 kilogram suran, that is elephant foot yam. Cooking with Kirchhoffli is an amazing experience. For ingredients and method, see description box. These are whole spices. We will grind to smooth powder. Peel and cut suran into 2-inch pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons oil and 2 tablespoons ghee, that is clarified butter, in a fry pan. Add half teaspoon rye, that is mustard seeds. When splatter, add 2 sliced onions. Saute till golden brown. It may take 5 to 7 minutes. Add 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Add suran pieces. Saute for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add salt to taste, almost 2 teaspoons. Two teaspoons turmeric powder, that is haldi. 2 teaspoons red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. 2 teaspoon coriander powder, that is dhania powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, that is jeera powder. Mix well and saute for 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 4 slitted green chillies whole. Add 2 cups water. When boils, cover the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. After 7 minutes, open the lid. Suran is half cooked. Add tamarind pulp, that is imli pulp made of small ball of imli soaked in warm water. To balance the sourness of imli, add 1 teaspoon sugar. Suran absorbs a good amount of water, so add half cup more water. When boils, cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame or till suran is tender. Open the lid after 10 minutes. It is the time to add ground masala powder that we prepared earlier. Mix well. Please don't overcook suran, otherwise it will be mashed. Keep flame low. Add 80 grams curd, that is yogurt, and stir immediately so that lumps are not formed. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Cover and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes simmering, open the lid and check a piece of suran. It is completely tender.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is tender. Suran Lukmani is ready to be served. Dish out in a serving bowl. Savor the taste with roti, paratha or naan.